Once we wrap up here, we'll move on to our initial project for today. Educators worldwide incorporate Maqueen into their teaching, often opting for the Maqueen car to simulate actual vehicles or robotic car models. They guide their students in exploring and resolving real-world problems. So, our first task involves understanding how to utilize it along with Mind Plus to mimic some basic functionalities. To start, the Maqueen Plus robot features wheels to simulate vehicle movement, lights that replicate car lights, and a buzzer that emulates a horn. Our first focus is to learn how to control these features through block-based programming. We'll kick off by illuminating our car lights together. Illuminating them is fairly straightforward. We'll utilize the module displayed on the screen to illuminate the car lights. As you can observe, we'll have the option to select from the drop-down menu whether to work with the right light alone or illuminate both lights simultaneously. Following that, let's proceed to complete a program that causes the car lights to blink. You can follow my lead to become acquainted with the programming operation in Mind Plus. Let's return to the Mind Plus programming software. Given that the lights are on the Maqueen Plus, an expansion board, we'll need to click on the expansion board button at the bottom and look for these mint green programming blocks. You might also notice an adorable Maqueen robot icon displayed before these blocks. In the third line of the block commands, we can see a module for setting LED lights. Left-click to select it, hold the click, and drag it to the programming area in the middle. We aim for the lights to blink simultaneously. Hence, we'll first select all in the left drop-down box, indicating that both lights will illuminate. Then how do we make the lights blink? After illuminating the lights, the next step entails turning them off simultaneously. We can drag out another one of these blocks, or copy a new one by right-clicking on this block. Change the open to close, signifying that the lights will turn off. There's a time interval between the lights turning on and off. Click on the control at the top of the command area, and find the Wait 1 second block. Place it under both the light up and turn off blocks. Then, place this code chunk into a forever loop for repetitive execution. The program is now complete. The final and crucial step involves uploading this program to the main control board to run it. Click on the Upload button below Online in the upper right corner of the interface. The program will commence burning automatically, and a progress bar will be displayed. When the progress bar reaches 100%, it indicates a successful burn. You can now reattach the micro bit to Maqueen. With power connected, you'll observe Maqueen's two car lights commence blinking as per our programmed sequence. When we utilize Maqueen Plus to simulate real vehicle operation scenarios, we can activate the corresponding car lights based on various driving conditions using this instruction module. We're now moving on to producing sound. Let's say we want our robot to emit a siren similar to an ambulance during a rescue operation. How do we achieve this? To do this, we'll need to use the programming blocks under the music section in the micro-bit module. To simulate the siren melody, we can utilize the buzzer to play a loop, such as the melody 51515151, resembling an ambulance siren in China. Let's return to the programming software and learn how to accomplish this. Navigate to the music commands in the micro-bit command area. Click on micro-bit, scroll down, and find the music section. You'll find 7 command blocks to use. Besides using the built-in music melodies in the first 2 blocks directly, we can use the third block to create a custom music melody for Maqueen, as per our requirements. For example, to play the alarm melody in a loop. Click on the third block, drag it to the programming area. Click on the white area in the middle, and a piano keyboard will pop up below the block, allowing us to set the tone by clicking on the keys or corresponding letters. Let's select G, tone 5, and choose a half beat from the drop-down box. Next, copy this command, change the note to C, tone 1, and keep the beat the same. Finally, put these blocks into a loop, click Upload in the upper right corner, and upload it to the micro-bit on Maqueen's main board. Please note, if your buzzer doesn't make a sound, ensure the buzzer switch on Maqueen is turned to the on position. This is how we simulate effects using programming with the buzzer. Next, let's have a brief challenge. Try making your Maqueen play the melody of Twinkle, Twinkle, Little Star. The approach is quite similar, just be meticulous when selecting notes and ensure you choose the correct beats.